Hey there, it's Elizabeth, and welcome back to another video. Yes, okay, so I hope y'all are doing well. Thanks for joining me. And so yeah, today's gonna be a journal with me video, where I journal, or I don't actually journal during these sessions. I just show you how I decorate my page. And I thought I'd bring you along. So this, I am in my creative daily journal. Excuse me. I don't know why that happens every time I turn on the camera. Anyway, this is my daily creative journal, or my creative daily journal, or whatever you want to call it. And if you want to know how I make these books, there is a permanent link below in the description box where you can go, and it'll take you to a list of tutorials that I show you how to make this book from start to finish. Okay, so there's that. So today we're working on, let me see here. I got some stuffs out, so I'm a little prepared. We'll see how that goes. This was the 13th of August, Thursday. Actually, we're doing, again, today's page on today, okay? So I felt like going with a little bit of a vintage feel for this page, so I cut some bits out. And what inspired me to do that was because my beautiful husband brought home flowers for me again, right? He's so sweet that way. And they were classic roses, so I cut out a flower from a rose book, cut out these roses, and then I have some more bits and bobs that I'm gonna stick on here as well. Let me see here. Here is a flap. Now, I can either take this off, I could put it over here and make it a pocket. I think I'm just gonna leave it this way though. So, excuse me, let's just get started. Okay, I'm gonna use my glue gun here, or glue runner, roller, something, yeah. Surprisingly, I'm not going to ink edges, which I normally do, but I won't be doing that this time. Yeah, I was inspired by the beautiful roses this morning to do a bit of a vintage page, and I don't normally do vintage style. I have vintage, you know, vintage ephemera, if you will. Here is a piece of like beige cardstock. No, what is this called? Graph paper. So let's see if I can get it on here semi-straightly. Okay, there's that. And yeah, I don't normally use graph paper. I don't normally do vintage style. It's just not my thing. Generally speaking, my thing is mostly, I'm gonna do a combination of glue runner and glue stick. Mostly I do this type, which is, well, I call it colorful hot mess. Yeah. So that's how I normally decorate my pages. But yeah, today I came in here and I thought, you know, I haven't done a bit of vintage in a while, so why not do some vintage? Okay, I need a new glue stick. Hang on. Oh golly. And I try to be a little bit more prepared for y'all because I gotta leave soon to go do a CPR class. Now, when you're seeing that, let me think. I'm not sure when I'm scheduling this video. I think I had maybe not scheduled a video on some particular day. And I was like, what happened? You skipped a whole day. So yeah, I'm not sure when this is going up. It might be going up sometime in August, which is the month that we're in. And if you guys didn't know, I am starting work kind of part-time. Yeah, so in fact, my first day is coming up on 13, 14, 15, 16, on the 17th, I start work. So, I'm gonna be my daughter's and her co-teacher's teaching assistant for this year, so looking forward to that. And I have to go have a CPR class, so yeah, so I'm gonna do that. Okay, this is the cellophane from the wrapper of the flowers. So I'm going to attempt. Now, what I have in this bottle here, excuse me, is it's Aleene's tacky glue, a little bit watered down. So I don't know. Sometimes this plastic gives me a bit of a fit when I try to glue it down. So we'll see. We'll see if it works, guys. We'll see if it works. Okay. Whoops, I don't want you there, but we're just gonna scoot you over a little bit. All right, no biggie. Oh, geez, you know what I forgot to do? Oh, come on now. My fingers are sticking to it. That's just certainly not helping matters. I forgot to even see. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. This was gonna be my pocket, or my journaling card, right? And I sewed it down on the side. So, easy fix. Easy fix. We're just gonna take it and we're going to trim it off on both sides, which, you know, I'll probably use those other bits for something else, you know, because they're sewn together. So I could use them for something else, so I'll just keep them to the side. And then later on, I will go back and there. That fits in perfectly. Great. Okay. So I'll go back and sew the sides to that at a later time. Okay, then I found all this cute stuff, right? Look at this cute little girl. The roses I'm going to glue on here, but I had this stuff layered up. This is from a collage board that I did. It's like one of these. And whenever I do one of these, some people call them master boards, patchwork paper, all different names. And what I generally do with those is I scan them into my computer so that I have them for a later time to use just like this, right? Okay, I think this plastic is gluing on fairly well, so let me see. I think I was gonna, let's just place this stuff first. So I think I was gonna put that there. Because this has a straight edge here, I think I'm gonna glue that right about there, right? The little girl here, let's see if that's a little straighter. Like that. And then this little girl I might put in here like this perhaps, because, and she symbolizes my daughter. This I'm gonna put in just for a change of color and, okay, so why don't we put that in first, right? Excuse the reach. Oh, sorry. Okay, I just want to mark right here. That's about where I want to put it. And so, yeah, I'm trying to do this rather quickly because, yeah, I gotta go learn CPR. So, yep, I'm gonna go do that. And what's so cool is that the gal that is teaching the course is a former homeschooling friend and student of mine, I think. I think I might have had her in classes. I can't remember, but we have been friends with her family for a long time. Okay, so this is gonna go in next, and I wanna just, you know, just give it a little mark so I kind of know where I want to place it. Okay, yeah, so I haven't seen the gal who's going to be teaching us CPR. She's a little bit younger than my daughter, I think, like a year, I don't know, maybe like a year younger than my daughter. I can't remember. She's in between my son and my daughter, so she's older than my son but younger than my daughter. Anyway, it'll be super nice to see her. Yeah, I haven't seen her in forever. Yeah, so that'll be really, really fun. Okay, I think this was going like this, was it? We're gonna tuck this down. I see my little marks here, so I kind of know where I want to put that. It's gonna go right there. Okay, now this is kind of layered because I think I'm gonna put the little girl's like underarm. I don't want to cover her all up, right? Oh, my fingers are so sticky. And this, did I tell you what this symbolizes? This symbolizes my best girl because, okay, that looks about right. So let's just tack some glue onto her, right? And then we're gonna lift this up. This is some tricky business here. I'll put that down like that. And then I need to get a little bit of glue right in there, stick her on there. Oops, I got glue right there. Getting glue everywhere. Okay, now that it's put together, right? Now I can just go ahead and turn it over and glue the whole thing down. Isn't that sweet? So sweet. So, okay, I'm over here to the right. Yeah, so at any rate, I had a few minutes that I could, oops, do I need to, no, I glued that down. Okay, a few minutes before I have to leave, and I thought, well, let's just get this page put together and let me bring you guys along, because I enjoy doing these videos. Y'all seem to enjoy seeing how I put my pages together. I really appreciate it, your support, all your comments, and all that fun stuff. Yeah. Like I said, I'm not really sure when this is going to go up. I think it's going to go up the week of, August, maybe next week? I'm not sure. I have to check my schedule. And what I mean by that is the schedule that I have my videos on. So I will check to see. But yeah. Sometimes, like I said, I don't normally do vintage. I have vintage items. I enjoy vintage items, but they're just not like really my thing for these types of pages. Okay, now, okay, this is not good. Okay, here it is. Woof. Okay, so this here, I wanted to put like that and then put the rose collection down here. Now, like I said, or maybe I didn't, but this plastic wrap that the flowers come in, I use it all the time in my book because my husband's such a sweetie. He does buy me, he brings flowers home to me quite often. You will rarely find a day that there is not a vase of flowers on our dining room table. He's so sweet that way to me. But it is hard to glue, so I'm using a glue stick. We'll see if it works. I don't know. You know what? I think I might try to use, for this little thing here, I'm gonna try to use my ATG. So let's see if that'll work. I don't know though. I don't know, but we're gonna find out, and we're gonna find out together. So yeah, my daughter and I are going out today. She has to do some school shopping stuff. I have to do some school shopping stuff because, believe it or not, the one pair of jeans I have does not fit. So yeah, isn't that nice? Yeah. Dandy. So I need to go get some clothes for work. Yeah. Okay. So there it is. Okay. And then I'm going to do my journaling and put everything in here. Yeah. And my husband and his cousin, let's get the date on here, shall we? My husband and his cousin headed down south just a little bit ago. Okay, I need that one and I need this one. So yeah, they went down south to have like a dude weekend. Okay, and I really hope they have a great time. Hopefully they'll get some fishing in. Today is the 14th. Yeah, so hopefully all that will work out. Should I put it here or here? I think I'm gonna put it here. Okay, and today's Friday. Oh, and by the way, my son, my sweet sunshine, he had his appointment this morning, his video conference with his oncologist, and everything is spot on. Yes, he's doing very well. So pleased for that. So just more than pleased, just thankful, grateful, you name it, I'm it, okay? Alrighty then. So this weekend, I am going to be spending the entire weekend in my room, in my journal, doing my thing. Okay, so there you have it. Isn't that so cute? So this, of course, represents, oops, let's get you in frame here. This represents, of course, that my lovely husband brought home some flowers for me, some beautiful roses. And then that's what inspired me to use this note paper and also to use this rose cutout. And then I just, you know, whenever I think of flowers, a lot of times I think of vintage. So yeah, that's why I put this little girl on here, because my daughter and I are going to be going out together later. And yeah, so I just wanted like a little vintage feel, a little vintage feel. I'm wondering, I don't know, I might go back. I know that I said I wasn't going to ink anything, but you know me, I might have to. So if I do, I'll just go back and maybe, oh, you know what? Okay, where are my inks? Where are my inks? We're going to do it right now. Oh, here they are. Yay. Okay, this is what I just thought of. Well, not that it's like a brilliant idea or anything, but here is this. Mode, is it Mode? Mode Lawn. I like that. I like that. And so I'm just gonna messily go ahead and ink this up, because I just felt like that needed a little zhuzh, you know? It needed a little something. Okay, and I think that's super cute with that color green because of the green in the petals and whatnot, right? So, yeah. There you go. Oh, I love that. I love that. Okay. So there we have it. Now all I have to do now is my journaling. And then there we have it, the pocket. This seems to be, yeah, it's holding. So there you go. That's what I have in here is Aleene's tacky glue with a little bit of water. Watered it down so it's a little bit thinner. Worked like a charm. So there you go. Okay, thank you so much for sharing your time with me. I really appreciate it. And yeah, if you like what you see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want. And ooh, I'm gonna put this on there. You are my sunshine, because that's what I call my son, and he had an appointment today. Okay, anyway, yep, if you like what you see, go ahead and click that subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified the next time a video comes out. And yeah, I hope you have a fabulous rest of your day and a wonderful week. And I'll talk at y'all real soon. Bye for now.